Okay guys, I'm going to show you what I'm working on here. You remember the little Chevelle Malibu that we had in here that we were doing? Chris actually did a bunch of electrical on it. A lot of work on electrical on this car. And anyway, the guy has bought a kit for boxing the frame. Let's take a look and see what the kit's made by. As you can see anyway, the car is, got her up on the hoist there. So basically you're going to box all in here where it's opened up. Then you're going to lose the transmission cross member, which you can see I've got the stand holding the tranny up right now. I've already taken the cross member out, and it gives you a whole new member. Then you run all these tubes up and across the floor, which are lying right here. So this goes at the rear of the car. I'll show this in a later video. This goes in the rear, but right now what I'm doing is they give you these boxing plates. If you can, sorry guys, here on my own filming. If you see this boxing plate right here, they give you this plate. So that goes in first, and this kit is made by, who's this made by? It says it's made by Speed Tech. Okay. So what happens is you start out first by, obviously, like I say, take your transmission cross member out. You get all your brake lines, your gas lines, all that shit out of the way. This is a gas line here. Get all that out of the way. You got to cut this one out of here. This comes out, and where you see the piece on the floor, you see where it's indented or jogged out there. That lines up and goes in there. Now, of course, these frames over the years, you can see, look at the bends in them. People put floor jacks under them. So get yourself your large vice grips down there, and or crescent wrench. Sorry, your large crescent wrench, and start prying down and try and straighten that out the best you can. So I've started putting this piece in over here. So there's that jog out I was telling you about. I've cut that piece out, and there's the jog out. So here it is. Here you can see I've just kind of, I don't know if you can see the weld right there. Kind of started rolling her in, welding her in. And as you can see, this piece that they give you goes up top, and then they put a bend, and the bend goes inward. This makes it a little stronger. It's a bit of a nuisance. I mean, obviously you can do this with the car on the body on the frame, but it should be a hell of a lot easier if it was off the frame, no doubt, right? So this is where we're starting today. Going to get this piece in. You know, I'm starting on that. You start with that first, and then obviously we'll come around to this side. So we'll keep you informed what's going on as we do it. And then you got these other, you can see here, I can't really explain it, but you got sections of bracing that got to weld on, and tubes. So you got to drop the drive shaft, you got to drop the tranny cross member, you got to drop the exhaust off, and at the end of the day, if you guys can see this, let me set this down here. Can you guys see how it's sort of going to go? So there's the frame part that I'm doing now. Then from there, this is obviously the rear of the car. You got this big member that goes across. Then you got these pipes that join onto it. Then you got these brackets, and that's where that's your new brackets for your tranny cross member. And that's everything you see lying here. So we'll see how this works out. But that is what's going on with the little Malibu today. So what a wonderful day to spend a Friday before the weekend, isn't it? Anyway, thanks to all you guys out there subscribing, and big thumbs up to everybody. It seems like we're getting more and more subscribers every day. That's awesome, you guys. For any new subscribers out there that really enjoy us and like us, if you don't know, we do have oldtimegarage.ca. You can go there, and we are all over Instagram. And don't forget, we do sell t-shirts and decals. Okay, give you a quick little. There you go. I get a lot of new subscribers writing to us personally, and we got a whole whack of t-shirts in there. And no, nothing on the bottom of the cabinet is for sale. I'm a hoarder. I sell nothing. Some people have been writing in and saying to me on my email, will you sell this, will you sell that? I see it in the background, and no, I'm sorry guys, I'm a hoarder. I'm still young. I got lots of ideas, lots of cars I want to build. Come and see me in around 20 years from now when I'm in my mid-60s, and maybe then I'll sell you something. Okay, remember, it's always a good time at Old Time. It's even better time when you guys are writing in and giving me the great comments that you are. Thanks a lot, guys. Big thumbs up.